Welcome back. So here we will continue our topic about functions. So we will start our lecture here talking about the difference between print and return in functions. So print is for us as a human to see what happened inside the PC, while return is how the PC gives back the value, and we as a human or users often cannot see that. We should to have like print to see what happened inside our function. Yes, let's start here. So first, let's say we want to make a function that will solve a second degree polynomials. So we start here with def, or let's start here with a question. Make a program to solve second degree polynomial. Here we have this problem here. Let's say y is equal, or fx is equal x power 2 plus 3 multiplied by x minus 6. Here we start with definition. Here def f x, and the same steps like we have. Here I called my function f because I want like a polynomial function, and our argument or variable is x. Here I will make y is equal to x power 2 plus 3 multiplied by x minus 6, and return. Here we make this one here. Let's make a function here. E is equal, or fx is equal to, and here we write e. And let's here make, if x is equal to, let's make it 3, and we have here a is equal to fx, and here we make print a, and let's see the result. Like small x. Yes, we got fx equal to 12. Here you see 3 power 2, 9 plus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, minus 6 is 12. It's right. So let's see if x equal to 1. We got minus 2. If x equal to 2, we got 4. So we solve this problem here. Here let's make it a little bit more difficult. We want to make a function to solve quadratic equation. Here make a program to solve quadratic equation. We know that the quadratic equation is like x is like minus b plus minus square root b power 2 minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c divided by 2 multiplied by a. Yes, so here we want to make a program to solve this equation. So we write here def quadratic equation, and here we have a B and C. And here we should import, or we should from the model math import skirt. We will talk about models in the model sections, but here I will use the models, this model here, mass, and I will import from the mass skirt. It's like I will import square root from the math. So here we have x1 is equal to minus b plus skirt. We have b power 2 minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c. And the whole this equation is divided by 2 multiplied by a. And x2 is equal to minus b minus skirt, and here we have b power 2 minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c divided by 2 multiplied by a here, and we have return x1 x2. And here we write S equal to quadratic equation I guess I should just copy paste quadratic equation, and here we want like a, let's make a is equal to, let's make it 2, b is equal to 9, and c equal to 1. And here we write a, b, c, and here we print s. Let's see the result. Let's make f string here. I forgot to make it. So here x1 g to give more like impact result, and here with g to give us more impact result as well. And here we hit run again. We got here minus 0.45 and minus 17.544. So here we had like three variables. So in our last function, we want to make a function to make summation. So here we make here def summation, and to have like only one variable. Here we have s equal to 0, our summation variable, and we make for loop for e in range n plus 1, because like if n like equal to 10, so we want here to go to 10, not to 9, so that's why I write like n plus 1. Here we have the summation s equal plus equal, and our summation and here our summation equation. Here we have like, let's make it a little bit difficult, minus 1 power I multiplied by I 2, I power 2, or plus our I power 2. And here we want to return s, and we make f string to make it a little bit better. Here we want it like more impact or compact here, and we make s equal to summation, and here we want to go to 10, not 0, 10 here, and we print s, and we hit run. We got 386. But if we have like this here, like 2, we hit run, we got 2. If we have 5, we got 5. Oh, I'm sorry, s here. If we have 2, we got 6. If we have if you have 6, we got 92. If we have 4, we got 31. So here we use it like for loop and summation at the same time inside our function here. So that was all for now. See you in our third function lecture.